chatbots will only perform actions if it's been asked by a user in the Restya Core. Using the DuckDuckGo chatbot, users will be able to access the function of DuckDuckGo in Restya Core. It helps search their terms in the chat panel without leaving. Using the video conference chatbot, users will be able to self-host video conference. Using the Wolfram Alpha chatbot, user will get the step-by-step solutions for their each questions in Restya Core. Using the weather chatbot, users will be able to access global weather data by entering the location. Using the codename chatbot, users will able to get the codename Legendary Music Band's Productivity Beats.